When you're ready.
Got it.
Hey, what's up? You are wondering about these great video maker panel lights. Okay, so if you use these, as you can see, it's purple right now. It's white. It starts off, when you plug it in, it's gonna start off white always, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you that if you push this button right here, there's a bunch of different settings in here. So if you go here, it starts to have that where it says BRG 100%, which is the volume. So you can turn it up and down. So if you look here, you go up and down here. Okay, it's not doing it there. But if you go and start messing with the hue, and it says hue right there, and it says mode rotate, you can change the color of the light. So see, it's changing colors right now. You see that?
Yeah.
Blue, all the different colors of the hue. So actually what we'll do is we'll keep pushing this button again, because there's a bunch of different ones. You want actually saturation.
Yeah.
So sat, and then this is gonna change the colorway.
Dope.
Okay, it's still not doing its thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, you can just keep messing with that. Right. CCT, that is just going to be regular white.
Okay.
And there's gonna be like an off-white.
Okay.
So again, this is where most of your work is gonna be, right here.
Gotcha.
This is the one you want. Hue 340 degrees, and if you keep changing it, it goes to 360, and you just change all the different colorways. See that? That's the one we want.
Yeah,
okay?
Definitely.
So
360.
Yep, stay right there, blinded after all that, and then you can turn the volume down here.
Okay, cool.
See, once you're there,
Right,
it actually will go down.
Dope.
That's the basics of this thing.
Nice. And that's pretty self-explanatory for the other ones.
Hopefully, yeah. Oh,
okay.
they're the exact same light.
Okay.
And then, yeah, so you want to get it to where it says hue, and then there's a degrees.
Gotcha.
And that's going to give you the colors.
Okay.
The rest of the stuff that's in here, this does a lot of things.
Yeah.
You don't mess with it, because
okay.
I'll get lost in the whole thing.
Cool.
Yeah. Just
I'll stick with the basic.
Yep.
Dope.
And then there's the light switch right there.
Sweet.
Yep.
Thank you.